Listen how this Jamaican guy got deported for a illegal firearm. Now, this Jamaican guy came to America on a visiting visa, and he decided that he's not going back home, so him run off. But in the process, he was working at this facility. Not gonna say the name because he advised me not to say the name. While he was working there, he met this friend who is a American guy. But he always see the guy with a firearm. So, him always say he thought the guy had a licensed firearm because him always have it with him at work. If they go to the club, the guy always have it. Now, the Jamaican guy, he met this beautiful woman, he said, and basically he got married to her. Now, listen where everything went bad. When he got married, he put in his papers and thing and everything he got through. So the Jamaican guy tell his friend at the workplace, the one with the firearm. When he tell the guy said he was so happy, Him said, look here, we're gonna go out and we're gonna celebrate and have a couple drinks. So the guy said he's gonna come pick up the Jamaican guy about 7. The guy said, sure, no problem. So when the guy arrived to the Jamaican guy house, I guess his car have a little starting problem. So the Jamaican guy said, you know what, I'm gonna drive my wife vehicle. So him and the guy, they pull out and, on the way, I guess he was going a little bit over the speed limit. Now the police actually pull over the Jamaican guy, and the guy with the illegal firearm, listen, the illegal firearm was in the passenger seat. Now when the police stopped the vehicle, he stepped out of the car to walk to the officer. While he stepped out to walk to the officer, guess what? The guy with the firearm, which he think it was a licensed firearm, he put the gun underneath the Jamaican guy driver's seat. And listen what I'm saying? He had a gun all the time, or should I say a firearm, which it was illegal, but the Jamaican guy did not know. So when the Jamaican guy stepped out the vehicle, as I said, he put it under the Jamaican guy's seat. The guy came back in the vehicle, sit down, not knowing that there was an firearm underneath his seat. But the Jamaican guy said, you know what, he never, I think nothing of it because he knows that the guy always have a licensed firearm, which he think it was a licensed firearm. Now when the cop come to the driver side, him said, can I have a search of the vehicle or whatever? Him said sure, because him straight, the guy straight. But he did not know that the firearm that the guy had was illegal. Him say when him look up upon the guy, him never see the guy waist look bulgy. So he must say, him not make nothing of it. When the police go in the vehicle and them start checking the vehicle, guys, they found the firearm underneath the driver's seat. When the officer asks who the firearm belongs to, nobody owned up to it. The driver says not his because definitely it's not his. And the guy over in the passenger seat who put the firearm underneath the vehicle, underneath the driver's seat, says not his either. So guess who got the charge? The guy who was driving, because obviously if you don't know who was it belongs to, him will get the charge. So him got locked up and he went to court. When him go court, guys, and it was court day, guess who was in the jury or the witness stand to come and testify against the guy? Now him friend, the one where set him up in a guys, and on the day of questioning or what they want to put it in the court, when the judge asks who the firearm belongs to, the judge asked him, have you ever seen this gun before, Mr. John Doe? The guy who the gun belongs to said no, never saw that gun before, even never held a gun. You understand me? Him say him feel like him want to sink under the ground, guys, because when him hear him friend say I no feel him one. You understand me? And him know say definitely. So the judge said, look here, he might go basically put him in a ICE custody. He might go put him in detention for him get deported. Listen, the man said him literally piss him pants, guys. Him piss him pants because him could not believe say as somebody where him think he was his friend set him up like this. Now the guy got deported back to Jamaica, and basically him lose him house, him lose him wife. You know what I mean? Because since him leave, I guess him wife, when the wife start have little going or whatever because of the same guy who set him up. And right now the guy is in Jamaica just lost. Him say him devastated and he don't know how he's gonna get over this because he don't know how someone can be so cruel. So me I say, guys, you have to just basically be careful of some of the people that you go around and some of the people you think say is your friend. You know what I mean? So if you're new to the channel, guys, please subscribe for more stories like this. And if you have a story of your own, you can basically WhatsApp me, okay? Or reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the channel description, okay? And the name of the channel is Wahdatja, WAHDATJA. Alright, guys, if you enjoy this story, let me know. Big up on yourself.